Apollo Theater roof collapse. The concert started by 7 p.m. when suddenly the roof of the building collapsed. That night, Fred Livingston Jr. was killed. The Ellen Crone and several others were injured in the incident. The sad event happened when a tornado hit the roof, causing so many people to be injured. About 28 ambulances had to come to evacuate those that were injured, with many having broken bones and in the hospital. We pray for their recovery. I also encourage you to support them. According to Monica Monas, one of the survivors, she thought it was the end of the world. The next big question is, what will be the events of the end of the world? There will be wars, rumors of wars, famines, pestilence, earthquakes in many places. Yet he said this will just be the beginning of sorrows. The Apollo Theater event leaves a great question we need to answer. Are we ready for the rapture?